The federal government is facing a critical infrastructure challenge. Today, the deferred maintenance backlog for federal buildings has reached an estimated $370 billion. Government leaders and facility teams are tasked with managing aging, disconnected systems that drain operational resources and complicate daily management. You need a partner experienced in public sector modernization. Enter Carrier Controls and the iView Building Automation System. For facility managers, iView delivers an intuitive, user-friendly experience. It helps reduce the learning curve for new staff, empowering your team to manage HVAC environments efficiently. For specifiers, Carrier provides a clear blueprint. Built on open standards like BACnet, iView helps eliminate proprietary lock-in, enabling scalable, future-ready system designs. And for government leaders, Carrier offers a phased, cost-effective path to modernize legacy equipment, helping you address maintenance backlogs and support operational resilience. Designed for seamless integration with HVAC equipment, intuitive control, a trusted approach to facility modernization. Discover the total solution advantage. Turn to Carrier Controls experts.